When conjugating ER and IR verbs, there are two rules that you must remember. First, drop the ending from the infinitive to find the stem. So if it's an ER verb, drop the ER. If it is an IR verb, drop the IR from the end. This will leave you with the stem of the word. Rule number 2 is add the appropriate ending based on the subject of the sentence. Find the subject and determine which pronoun would be used instead. Mentally place the pronouns on the pronoun chart. Each ending will be in a different section of the chart. Match the ending that matches the pronoun on the end of your stem. Here is an example of the basic pronoun chart. Here we have yo, meaning I, tu, meaning you, el, meaning he, ella, meaning she, and usted, meaning you, formal. Also, we have nosotros and nosotras, meaning we, vosotros and vosotras, meaning they all in Spain, ellos and ellas, meaning they all everywhere else, and ustedes, meaning you all. Here are the endings for ER verbs. If it is in the yo form, we use o. If it is in the tu form, we use ace. If it is in the el, ella, or usted form, we use e. If it is in the nosotros or nosotras form, we use amos. If it is in the vosotros or vosotras form, we use ice. If it is in the ellos, ellas, or ustedes form, we use n. Notice that the yo form is the same as in an AR verb. The tu form is just replaced with an e instead of an a. The same is true with the el, ella, and usted form. The same is also true with the vosotros, vosotras, and nosotros, nostras forms. The same is true with the ellos, ellas, and ustedes form. This is true for every form except for the yo form, in which it stays the same. Here is the chart for IR verbs. Notice that the yo form is still the same. The tu form is also the same as in ER verbs. So is the el, ella, and usted form, as well as the ellos, ellas, and ustedes form. The difference is in the nosotros and nosotras form, in which the e changes to an I. In the vosotros, vosotras form, the e, I, with an accent mark, s, is changed to just an I with an accent mark followed by an S. Note that another way of describing an accent mark is with con and accento. Here is an activity on ER and IR verbs. Write the correct form of the verb in parentheses. You can now pause the video and complete the activity. Here's the answer key to the activity. Pause the video and check your answers.